You know, whether it's in the boardroom, in the warehouse, or on the factory floor, whiteboards play an important role in visual communications. So the markers you use need to stand out from the background and be reliable to the very last drop. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The technologically superior V-Board Master series of whiteboard markers from Pilot Pen passed the test with a range of vibrant colours that are clearly visible from 10 metres. The ink is guaranteed not to fade or dry out. There's a choice of fine 2.3mm bullet tips or broader 5.2mm chisel tips, and the markers are available with black, blue, red, green or orange ink, each with easy refill cartridges that save both time and money. Find out more from pilotpen.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.